Does your flower photography look like everyone else's? Well, it's time to change that. And this way is super easy and super cheap.
Okay, so I think you can probably tell from my hair that I'm not afraid of color and I'm not afraid to try something new. So I want to show you how to add some extra color to your flower photography without using Photoshop. Are you excited? Okay, here we go. Okay, I'll make sure it's in the view. Okay, we're going to take a picture of this flower right here. And right now my settings are at ISO 400, my aperture is at f10, and my shutter speed is 1/125th of a second. Better. All right. So that is my first picture, if you can see it. And that's just the natural picture. All right, so next I have this marshmallow stick. It's metal, and I just stick it in the ground behind the flower. And then I have these magnets, and then I'm gonna use a colored piece of paper. And let's try pink. So I have this pink paper, and I'm gonna hold it into place with this magnet in case the wind starts to blow. Grabbing the focus here. It's a little tricky on macro photography. All right, so let's get this in the view. That's my picture with the pink background. And now let's change that out. And let's try yellow. It's good to get complementary colors, but sometimes it's good to have contrasting colors too, just to give it a little extra oomph. There is my flower with the yellow background. And now let's try to go really high key. And we'll put the white background in back of it. Hold it in place with the magnet so it doesn't blow away.
And here is the flower with the white background. And now here are some samples of my favorite shots from the shoot with all of the different color backgrounds so you can compare for yourself. So next time you're on vacation or you're going to a botanical garden or someplace where they won't allow you to bring in a lot of gear, well, just bring in a couple pieces of paper, and you can actually even just hold it behind the flower or have a friend hold it while you take the picture. This little tip can help separate your flower photography from everyone else. As usual, if you have found this tip helpful, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep putting out helpful tips for creatives.